Inside liberated Paris, last vestiges of Nazi occupation are removed. Sections of the French capital's principal subway stations had been converted into factories making airplane parts for the Luftwaffe. Workmen break up the concrete, which the Germans spread over 6 miles of the rail as flooring for the underground war plant. On the station platforms is the machinery used in this unique aircraft factory 300 feet below the street level. Parisian machinists dismantle the equipment, which bears markings indicating U.S. design. The principal plants were at a point where 3 main lines meet at the northeastern outskirts of Paris. Once these workmen finish clearing the tracks and hauling out the cement and stone, normal operation will be restored on the Paris line.